A 50 amp RV box. You can buy them at Home Depot or Lowe's. And it depends on how far you are from your box, but you'll have to have something to put your wire in.
Okay.
Because you can't have it in the open. And then, for a second. The box comes separate, and then you have to buy the loom, which some looms come with wire already in them. I bought 6 feet of loom with the wire already in it, but the wire that I got didn't have the white, so I had to add the white wire to it.
Okay.
You could probably buy the loom with the white wire in it, but make sure you have the 4 wires in the loom.
Okay.
The green, the white, and the red and black.
Okay, perfect. I just wanted to clarify that as well.
And then there'll be different holes you can pop out in the bottom of your box. You know, you just can't really see them, but you'll see them. Anyway, and then put that in there, and then your red wire goes to the breaker, and your black wire goes to the breaker.
Okay, so you can see it right there.
And if you don't have a breaker, see these right down here, don't touch them because they're hot.
Okay.
You could add breakers.
Okay.
You know, we just didn't have to have that many. So.
Okay.
Anyway, so you have to have a 50 amp breaker, the wire going to your RV box, and then you hook your black wire up and your red wire to the breaker right there. And then your white one and the ground just hook over here, and there's a big, you can see that whole line of commons and brown and grounds.
Okay. And what does the white wire go to?
Same thing as the ground goes to.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
And that's for if you need to hook up an RV.
Well, I just hook it up. Yeah.
Just
It's
okay.
a 4-wire plug-in. Hook all 4 wires up.
Okay. So we got the red, the black, the white, and then
Green.
the green one. Okay. So where does the green one go to?
Same. It's all ground.
All ground with the white.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay. That seems simple enough.
And that's
And
it.
then I like this. What's the surge protector thing that you have here?
We got that at the RV place.
Okay.
And it just tells you, it'll tell you if you're hooked up right, if it's wired right.
Oh.
You can plug that in first, and it'll tell you there's an open neutral, or the neutral's
nice.
reversed, or something. And if it says anything but all the lights up all across the top, don't hook your car to it.
Okay. So it has to be all green.
Yeah,
Across the top.
all lit up. Yeah, all green.
Okay. That means you did it right.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
And I just do it for safety.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Seems pretty simple enough.
Yeah.
Now, what if
you can get ground. I don't know if I can get this one out here, but I was going to show you how to get one hooked in there.
Yeah, how do you get one of those? Like, if you want a 50 amp in there, you don't have that. You want to put that in there.
This one's turned off, so let's do it. I don't know how to get it out of there. It's got to come out this way.
Oh, I see. It just kind of goes in there.
See
Like,
the hooks on that one end?
oh, okay, yeah.
And that'll hook over that little bar right there.
Ah, very good. Yeah.
Hook that in there like that, and see these little clamps on the back. Those will go right over the post.
So you'd probably recommend turning off all the power whenever you're doing this, right?
Yeah,
For safety, just to make sure.
I would. Yeah.
Yeah.
If someone's
But you've
not
been
used
doing
to
this
it.
for
Yeah.
You've been doing
and
this
all you
for
gotta
many
do to turn the
years.
power off is flip that big one down,
Yep. Okay.
and there'd be no power going to these bars.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. I like it. Well, thanks for sharing, Roy.
No problem.
All right. And as a result of the work of Roy Givens, we're pulling 32 amps. As you can see, 26 miles in an hour. 32 amps. So there it is. I think it's simple enough that many people can do it on their own.